Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Days. Today, it's not just me. We got more here. Say hello to Heidi Lourie. She can talk.
I can talk.
Lots of times. Heather. And somewhere telling us what to do. I'm not sure where he went. Back in the background, the boss. The king. Telling us what we got to do.
We're popping.
We're popping already. Okay, guys. This one has been busy. Tell them what you did today.
I woke up. Number one. Very important. Number two. We went to the U-Pick in Wiggins, Mississippi for vegetables. We did probably like 40 to 50 pounds of summer squash. We did probably about 30 pounds of green beans. So we're canning right now the squash at Wanda's.
And
we're doing jelly, plum jelly we got.
So we're doing multiples
Plum.
today.
Oh, and we made squash pie, squash
Casserole.
And
We got a big supper sometime today.
we need supper, dinner,
Dinner, supper. Supper.
dinner.
We're arguing over what is lunch, dinner, supper,
Brunch.
brunch. We don't do brunch.
We do brunch.
We do brunch. So we're arguing over all these things because we do breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Right? No, breakfast.
Supper.
Never mind. We do. She's got me confused. We do breakfast, dinner, and supper. You do brunch.
Well, if you
get up
ever
in
wake
time.
up late, you can do a brunch, which is a combination of breakfast and lunch. And then if you miss lunch, but it's too early for dinner, we call it dinner. And at lunchtime is noon, that's our lunch, and then dinner is at nighttime.
See?
There's different, and then you can eat in between if you like.
See, we
And then
just,
snacks.
it's confusing. The South is confusing. We have dinner at lunch and supper at night where she has dinner. We're just too confusing. But this is what we've been doing today. We're canning. Before my canning class, she's actually having a canning class, all her own personal canning class, right?
Oh, am I supposed to pay you?
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Oops, I forgot. It's
The house
next week. It's not
needs-
today, is it?
No, the house needs cleaning. So we've had fun today. She's going to be canning for a while because you're going to see what she's got to go. We've had 7 jars on the cabinet.
Oh, popping.
Just put 7 in the canner, and we've got some stuff in the floor.
Tons.
I'm going to show you what we've got going on now, and she'll finish up sometime before midnight tonight, but she'll show you on Lourie Family Homestead all the stuff that she gets canned today, because I'm going to be putting this up before she gets through, believe me. Oh, it's crazy days.
It's crazy. It's crazy.
So you're going to eat well, right?
Yeah.
Got a new squash recipe?
Are you is?
Okay, guys, another thing we're doing here. We're trying crock pot yogurt. It is still at 120 degrees, a little over 120 degrees, and I'm trying to cool it down. It's almost 130. Trying to cool it down to 110 for the night before we add our yogurt starter in with the milk. We got the milk up to 180 degrees and cooling it down to 110.
Our squash casserole.
What are you putting them on?
Mini pizzas. That's so awesome. Oh my gosh. There it comes. You can taste the tomato at the end when you take that bite. It's amazing.
New recipe, right?
New recipe. You probably see it on Crazy Days.
You probably see it on Crazy Days. Mini pizzas with squash casserole added on top.
So good.
Okay, guys. if Heidi Lourie can take one of my mini pizzas and add my squash casserole and make a new one, I'm adding, this is from Country Girl Creameries, it's the garlic and onion spreadable cheese. So what we're doing, we're just using it as a dip on top of the mini pizza. This has to be good, guys. And it takes a minute to process the tomato because it was dehydrated. The tomato chips or the mini pizzas with the garlic and onion spreadable cheese is delicious. Heidi and I are just inventing all kinds of stuff, so there's going to be more to come this summer. Thank you from Crazy Days.